Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use C4 pre-workout. First, understand that C4 is a popular supplement formulated to give you an energy boost and improve focus during your workouts. It contains ingredients like caffeine, beta-alanine, and creatine, which work together to enhance your physical performance and mental alertness. This can help you push harder and get more out of your training sessions. Now, let's talk about how to prepare your C4. The standard serving size is 1 level scoop, which you should mix thoroughly with about 6 to 8 fluid ounces of water. If you're new to pre-workouts, it's wise to begin with just half a scoop to see how your body reacts. Remember, adequate water is crucial for proper mixing and to help your body absorb the ingredients effectively. Timing is key for maximizing C4's benefits. You should drink your mixed pre-workout approximately 20 to 30 minutes before you begin your exercise routine. After consumption, you can expect to feel a surge of energy, enhanced focus, and possibly a harmless tingling sensation from the beta-alanine. These effects usually last for about 1 to 2 hours, supporting you through your entire workout. Finally, some important considerations for safe and effective use. Always prioritize hydration by drinking plenty of water during your workout. Due to its caffeine content, avoid taking C4 late in the evening to prevent sleep disruption. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, particularly if you have existing medical conditions or are taking other medications.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.